Hello friends, welcome to the Factopedia. 16 delicious food facts. Fact number 1. The world's longest french fry is 34 inches long. Fact number 2. Garlic bulbs are full of vitamin C, iron, potassium, magnesium, zinc and many more. It also has 17 amino acids. Fact number 3. On the South Atlantic island of Tristan da Cunha, potatoes were once used as currency. Fact number 4. The strawberry is the only fruit that bears seeds on the outside. Fact number 5. According to theory, coffee became a popular drink in America after the Boston Tea Party of 1773. Making the switch from tea to coffee was considered as a patriotic duty. Fact number 6. The double coconut palm produced the biggest seed in the world, that is 45 pounds. Fact number 7. Ice cream once called cream ice. Fact number 8. Pound cake is so called because the recipe once called for a pound of butter, a pound of sugar, a pound of eggs and a pound of flour. Fact number 9. Peanuts aren't nuts, they are just legumes. Fact number 10. Carrots were not always orange, they were once exclusively purple. Fact number 11. Cherries are a member of rose family, as are pears, plums, apple, peaches and raspberries. Fact number 12. Lima beans have an amazing ability to command webs as a defense. If insects are eating the lima beans leaves, then the plant gives off a substance that acts as a signal to parasitic wasps to swoop in and destroy their enemy. Fact number 13. Apples float because they are 1/4 air. Fact number 14. Ripe grain berries will bounce like a ball. Go in and try it. They also float. Fact number 15. German chocolate cake is not from Germany. German is actually the last name of the man who invented a kind of baking chocolate. Fact number 16. Cilantro and coriander are considered to be the same. If you like this fact, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe.